Hi everyone, Amanda here at Deep Run Community in beautiful Cream Ridge, New Jersey. And I am going to give everyone a quick look at our clubhouse renovation project. As many of you know, we've been super busy in the community recently, and the renovation project at our clubhouse community center is definitely the biggest project we have going on right now. So for current residents, it's going to be quite a change. We are targeting a reopening date within the next month or so, pending approvals of final inspections and such. But I'm just going to give you a quick look at the building. The biggest change on the front of the building is a separate entranceway to our exercise room. So previously there was one access point to the front of the building and you could only enter the exercise room from inside of the building. Now there is going to be a separate entrance point for folks who are wanting to work out and utilize that fitness center. We are also having brand new equipment delivered. That'll be here on Friday. All right, so you can see here the entranceway. All right, still very much under construction. The front of the building also has received some updating. We have poured a new concrete ramp here as well. We're waiting on rail delivery. We're actually going to enter the building on the back because we cannot use the front door right now. Coming in the back, you'll notice that we have a brand new deck. What was formerly wood is now brand new composite, no maintenance, so no more staining for Bob and Mark routinely. All right, this deck just looks gorgeous, so nice. All right, let's take a look inside and see what we have going on. So we're walking into the banquet area. The entire building has been sheetrocked. Formerly, the building was a paneling and engineered panel walls. All right, let's head up to the lobby. So the front door right there is what you would use coming in. So lots of work has been done. Like I said, all new sheetrock, the walls, ceilings, brand new lighting. You will notice, some of you might notice, a difference in this room. We have expanded the fitness center and we have bumped that out. So we've built this wall here to enlarge the fitness center. If we head back, we will come to that room. We have one of the bathrooms here. Here we have the fitness center. So there we have that separate door. Some of our older equipment, which isn't really that old. We are going to have free weights, some extra equipment in here. And here is that bump out as well. It's really hard to see on the video, but this is going to be awesome when it is finished. Again, brand new sheetrock, paint, lighting, everything. Floors in this building, or I'm sorry, in this room will be going down within the next few days. All right, and there is not much to the kitchen. Everything has been removed. And you will see in here, we're still renovating. Of course, we do have some of that engineered paneling wall you can see with the print. Super dated, kind of indicative of the 80s. Two bathrooms here as well. Totally gutted. This building was really due for an upgrade, so everything will be new. This was the storage room here. You can see we still have some of those popcorn ceilings up above to show you how dated it really was. All right. So just a quick look, and then this door, of course, goes right back out to that beautiful deck. So we cannot wait to be able to have a grand reopening of this building. We're so excited for everyone to be able to see it when it's finished. And we look forward to that and everyone being able to use this space again. You'll notice that we did add a closet here as well. So just a quick look at the renovation project here. I know a lot of residents have been asking about it and what's being done. For many people, they haven't been in this building in almost a year. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video and we look forward to that grand reopening. If you're a current resident, please stay tuned. Keep an eye on the newsletters. We will continue to update everyone on when we will be doing that reopening. And feel free to call too. You can call us at the office at 609-758-7180. And we look forward to talking to everyone soon. All right, thanks for clicking on this video, and we will keep you updated. Have a great rest of the day.